Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. Losing access to your Brawl Stars account can be frustrating, especially if you don't have it linked to a Supercell ID. In this video, I will guide you through the steps to recover your account without a Supercell ID, so you can get back to brawling in no time. So now let's begin. So the first thing we need to do is open Brawl Stars onto your device and navigate to the settings menu. It is usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. In the settings menu, scroll down and select help and support. This will take you to the customer service section where you can report issues. Tap on the contact button and explain your situation in detail. Provide as much information as possible about your account, including your player tag, previous purchase receipts, and the last time you accessed the account. And that's how you recover your Brawl Stars account without a Supercell ID. If this video helped, please leave a like and subscribe.